Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a setting that you may not know, how to hide the navigation bar in Samsung phones. It's very simple, just go to the settings. I'm clicking on settings and then tap on the display option. Then scroll down and tap on navigation bar. After tapping on navigation bar, you will find this page. Look at the button order. You can change button order from here. I don't want to change it now. To hide the navigation bar, click on full screen gestures. Navigation bar will be hidden, but gesture hints are showing. If you click on these gesture hints, that will not work, but if you swipe, they will work. I'm swiping the back button and it's working. If you want to hide the hints, just go to navigation bar again and click on gesture hints and disable the gesture hints. After clicking on it, the gesture hints has gone. Now swipe there where the hints were stayed to using the navigation bar. I am swiping the back button and it is working smoothly. Thanks for watching this video. Comment below if you have any questions and subscribe my channel to get new videos.